What would you say would be, the primary pain point or problem that existed with Permian roofing before hiring contractor independence?
A good lead generation that we can kind of count on. That wasn't us knocking door to door or referrals or stuff like that. We needed to have that sort of Google presence, which is where everybody goes to get it. And y'all have a great program for that.
How has contractor independence helped solve that issue?
Just the overall leads and phone calls that we're getting, it's just the proof is right there. Like y'all record everything, all the progress that's been going, the dots, the green dots that we're turning in areas that we weren't really dominating in, and it kind of showed us what areas we were strong in, what areas we were weak in, and it showed us what areas we need to target. And
How much would you say, has your revenue grown since joining contractor independence?
we were doing probably mid six figures, three, 400, maybe 500,000 last 8 months, 6 months that it's been. We've made about probably over 2 million. It let us kind of venture into other things that we wanted to do. So we have a construction wing now that we handle. So we've always had to handle a lot of insurance claims jobs. So we have to dabble in construction, but now it let us go into buying old homes, remodeling them, renting them out, whole new revenue stream that we're tapping into. But with the amount of upside that it has, it's just like if I could tell myself 8 months ago with those doubts, I'd be like, just jump in. When you're the most scared to do something, that's exactly the moment you should just jump in and do it. You have nothing else to lose. Or else you just kind of stay there and plateau in that same level. You got to do something different if you want different results.